guys. Gonna go perform in Mankato today. Starts at 11. We're in a 2-hour drive. So, I'm maybe at 6. I don't know why that's so early. It's earlier than when I wake up for school.
Here. Come on. You pause.
There we go. We're in Shakopee next to Canterbury Park. McDonald's. Catching breakfast. Before we go any farther, we're meeting up with Dylan here.
They're catching kids leaving school. And
we're here now. Everybody's here.
So they're like, we're gonna need a check-in.
Finally getting out of McDonald's. Ow! Ow!
Huh?
Ow!
I'm fucking up. I'm playing Shaq 4 and 15.
Okay. They're spazzing about League of Legends, and I think I'm bunking with them tonight. Today, so I'm gonna go get my stuff.
And then you think, oh, almost had him. I did.
I don't know this part. Getting ready to go. We're about to perform. Soon it is.
You still
It's 11:06.
Welcome to the Beauty of Cultures.
Oh, they're starting to talk.
Thank you for joining us. And first off, we'd like to have Miss Gary Wilson, Director of Marketing and Affairs.
performing. We're just finishing our food now.
Are you gonna be on?
Look how greasy that is. It's shiny. College food. I'm at home. My parents aren't here yet. I got dropped off by my uncle. And I'm outside because I have no key. And my white ears for shoes. Just waiting for him to come. No big deal. Listening to the storm on the way, like, oh, where am I gone? I'm not alone in the yard. Alone. With my tree. Just chilling. Living. I'm tired though. I don't want to talk to you. Hey, it's really dirty. Yep. Does anybody want to buy this camera? It records in 720p. It is a Sony CyberShot DSCW350. It's pretty good, 14.1 megapixels. But I want an upgrade. I want to go to 1080p. I'll sell it for a reasonable price, starting at $70. It comes with a battery and a USB cord. Possibly a battery charger too. And a lanyard. Still waiting. Still waiting. I wonder if it's getting darker. About 3 minutes I've been recording on here. Oh, that's on. I don't know if that's on. Why is this not focusing? I can't tell if there's on. Why is this just on? That's not really on. This is only date on March 14, 2011. This is the longest I've ever been much for recording Minnesota history. Longest March of all time. 70. I don't know how much I have to record left. It's probably not super much, but you know, nothing else to do with it. Oh yeah, the full performance is in HD. I believe it's 1080p, not with this camera, but with a different camera. Will be uploaded to youtube.com/user/lifemaniacproduction. No S's in it because there's not enough space in YouTube to put S's into our name. But yeah, you can subscribe right here, this area, or maybe right here, and you can like, and you can, what else can you do? Favorite. And go on to the link to Facebook. Oh, they're here. Live Maniac Productions. Peace.